अऊज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम and welcome back to Urdu Masters Alphabet series. This lesson is about starting format, mid and ending format for those person who can read Romanized Urdu but can't read Urdu Rasmul Khat. Alif. Alif never merge with other letters when it is in starting. An example: अब तक, एक, इशारा, okay, and it merges with those letters who comes before it, but it doesn't merge with those letters who came after it. For example, kitab, you can see it is combined with they, but it is separate from be. Same rule applies when it is an ending. It combines with word which comes before it. For example, kiska, kitna. Let's proceed. Next letter is be. Be combines in all forms, start, mid and end. For example, kabab, barish, kab tak. Be has same rules as be, so it doesn't need any description or explanation. We will look at only examples for those letters which are really common and doesn't have any complications and don't need any description. That's how we will save a lot of time. Next letter is pe. Patta, kapda, kap, tape, ताला, तलवार, दांत, बात, टेलीफोन, टांगा, कटा हुआ, रेट, गेट, समर, जज, हज, कांच, चचा, खबर. Now we have reached second category letters. Those don't combine with these letters which comes after them. दरवाज़ा, सुधारा, डाकू, जिक्र, राज, बाढ़, ज़कात, ज़ेब्रा, अज़दहा, टेलीविज़न, सांप, सुरंग, सिंघार, शेर, शमशीर, संदूक, कसूर, ज़ईफ़, काबिज़, तोता, तरीका, ज़ालिम, उकाब, ऐनक, गुब्बारा, कागज़, फानूस, दफ्तर, रफ्तार, तरफ, कलम, रकबा, किताब, एक, टक्कर, बारीक, लगाम, तल्ख, कामिल, मीज़ान, कामरान, करम, गरम, नाश्ता, कांटा, कैंसर, कान, विसाल, वापस, कौन, रुको, हाथी, हमें, रहबर, रहनुमा, कहिए, घर, राह. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and Allah Hafiz.